Right, Dave down at the allotment, DRD. Saturday morning, looks a nice morning. Come down to see what else we can get started down here. Gillian's doing some weeding, Rob's sorting stuff, so I'll go around, give a quick figgy. I do have some plants to put in a greenhouse, so I might set it up and show you put that in, well, some seeds in. So change over cameras and see you in a minute. It's a frosty morning down here, so Gillian's trying to weed what you can, even though the ground's a bit tough. She weeded this the other day and I come back up quick. So that's what she's doing. I don't know what Rob's doing at the moment. He's in the thingy, but we'll move down here. Oh, I think he said he was going to put some water on it. There's what onions and garlic, as I say, is going. These two buckets, which Rob's just squeezed past us, he's clearing the weeds out of them so we can clear them. And that's got potatoes in and the other one's got potatoes in. Probably going to have to get some more. Just got that nice mesh, which I've got to find somewhere to put. I'm going to be putting peas in the what you call it ready, so this will be done. And these are the two beds. Oh, I've got the saw down, so we're going to cut the wood to fit on either side of that. So I'll get that done. So basically, I'll come back to you later on and see what we're doing. So see you soon. Well, we've just been buying this seed propagator from Lidl's, Parkside. So what I'm going to get some soil, put it in here, mix it with vermiculite, fill these seed trays up and look at planting some peas. So I'll get everything I needed and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm going to first of all save some soil up here, so we'll get some nice fine soil on here. This is nice fine soil. So I'll carry on doing that until I get enough, and I'll show you what I'll do next. Right, we're now going to put some vermiculite in. Give it a good mix. This will help with the watering. I think that should be enough. Right, I'm going to get a tray. Start filling the tray up. Where's one of me other trays? Just reach across it there, get that and that. Moves it down a bit. Okay, I'm going to cross and have a look and see where my peas are. Right, some peas. Let's move this bag across so it's out of the way. Hope you're seeing this all right. Right, got a little dibber here. Little spoke. Got everything but a dibber. That'll do. I could do with some more in. I could do with some more in. Put a hole. Pea in each hole. That down, so some soil across the top, go them over. That soil's pretty damp. But I will give them a what they call a bottom water, and I've got a big tray over there. I'm going to put some water in it, and then I'll put them in that, let the water soak up, and so that's that done. Okay, I've stuck them in a tray of water, so that'll bottom soaking up from the right. So I'll leave them for a couple of hours, and then I'll move them out of there, and I'll put them into the propagators. So that'll help. That'll soak the water up, and also when Rob brings us a spray, I'm going to spray from the top. So that'll help that. So see what else we're going to plant in a minute.
I'm filling the pot up now with soil and that in. I'm going to put kale in here. See if it goes. And then I'll start planting some kale in a minute. I'll just take all the excess off. Yeah. And I'm doing these keels.
What's the name of the kale?
Is this one? That's why I'm doing that one.
No, it's just got kale. It doesn't say what make.
And as you can see, the seeds are tiny and they'll be hard to pick up. So
You might be able to do 2 lots of kale in there.
yeah. to see, I'm putting the keel now. And the seeds are awkward to pick up, so there'll be quite a few seeds in each one because it'll be hard to pick up.
Well, then you'll just thin them out. You filled all the?
Nearly. There's one there, there's one there. There was one there. That's all done now.
Right. You putting some soil over the top?
Yeah.
No, you don't need to sieve, that's all sieved soil.
Now I'm putting the soil on top. Keep it nice and covered. And there we go. Done.
Some water.
Now filling with water. Just to keep it moistured.
And that's it.
And that's it.
Okay. Okay, that's them plants you seen we're doing. Put them in the. I've put them in here for now. Get the sun. Gets warm in here. See, tatties in there. Tatties in there. Nothing in them too. And I'll take you out of what we've been doing. Sorry about the sun. We've put 2 more hoops in here. Bed needs digging over, and we need to put the cross members like that. These 2 beds were frozen, so we couldn't do that much with them. Gillian's put peas in there. Whether they'll grow, I don't know. And if you come down here, where all the wood and rubbish was left, we've done this bit. We've done this. Put some planters on. Excuse the rubbish over there, we're waiting to get that taken away. That other bit there on the other side, I'm going to put the pond in there. We've moved that over there for now. So we've done quite a bit today. So thank you for watching, and we'll catch you again on another one. So DRD signing off. Bye for now.